Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Security. Protecting your smart creations from digital threats. Imagine you're building a super cool robot or a smart app that learns. That's your AI creation. You wouldn't just leave your house door wide open, right? Similarly, for your AI security is like putting strong locks, alarms, and guards around it. As a developer, you're not just building the AI, you're also its first line of defense, making sure it works safely and doesn't get tricked or misused by digital bad guys. It's about protecting your innovation and the people who use it. Before we talk about protecting AI, let's quickly remember what AI is. Think of AI as your smart digital assistant or a super fast learner. It's not magic, it's a computer program that learns from examples, called data, to make smart decisions or predictions. For example, show it thousands of cat pictures, and it learns to spot a cat. The brains of this AI are its model, the learned rules, and the data it learned from. These are the core components that digital threats often target. Every AI has two main parts. 1. The data. This is like the ingredients for a cake or the textbooks for a student. It's all the information, pictures, text, numbers, your AI learns from. If someone messes with these ingredients, e.g., adds bad data, your AI learns wrong things. 2. The model. This is like the recipe for the cake or the student's learned knowledge. It's the actual smart program that comes out after your AI studies the data. If someone steals this recipe or tricks the AI into making bad decisions, your entire smart creation is compromised. As a developer, securing both the data you feed it and the model you build is crucial. Just like real-world bullies, digital threats try to mess with your AI. Here are a few common ways. Data poisoning. Imagine someone sneaking bad ingredients into your cake mix. Attackers can feed bad, misleading data to your AI during its learning phase, making it learn incorrect or biased rules. Adversarial attacks. This is like tricking your AI with a clever disguise. Attackers make tiny, almost invisible changes to input data, like a picture, that humans wouldn't notice, but it completely confuses the AI, making it misidentify something crucial. Model theft extraction. This is like someone stealing your secret recipe. Attackers try to steal the AI model itself or learn enough about how it works to recreate it. Privacy breaches. Sometimes, an AI can accidentally reveal sensitive information it learned from its training data, like personal details. As developers, we must guard against these threats. Don't worry, there are ways to fight back. As a developer, you can build security into your AI from the ground up. Secure data. Only use trusted, clean data for training. Think of it as carefully selecting the best ingredients. Encrypt sensitive data. Robust models. Design your AI models to be resilient against tricks. This means making them harder to fool with adversarial attacks. Continuous monitoring. Keep an eye on your AI even after it's deployed. Is it behaving normally? Is someone trying to trick it? Think of it as having security cameras. Privacy-preserving techniques. Use methods like federated learning, learning from data without seeing the raw data, or differential privacy, adding noise to data to protect individuals, to ensure your AI doesn't accidentally expose personal information. AI security isn't just a tech buzzword. It has real-world consequences. Imagine a self-driving car's AI being tricked into ignoring a stop sign. Adversarial attack. Or a medical AI giving wrong diagnoses because its training data was poisoned. Or personal health data being leaked from a smart health assistant. These aren't just technical glitches. They can lead to accidents, misinformed decisions, and serious privacy violations. As developers, securing our AI means building trust and ensuring our innovations benefit society safely and ethically. You've taken the first step by understanding AI security. Here's what you can do next as a developer. 1. Think security early. Just like building a house with strong foundations, design security into your AI projects from the very beginning. 2. Validate your data. Always scrutinize the data you feed your AI. Is it clean? Is it representative? 3. Explore security libraries. Look into open source libraries and frameworks designed to enhance AI security, e.g., IBM Adversarial Robustness Toolbox. 4. Stay informed. The world of AI security is constantly evolving. Keep learning about new threats and defenses. Remember, a secure AI is a trustworthy AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.